Okay guys, I just got this. This is going to help you guys so much in a time of crisis. Now this is uh, power power brick power source by Blavor. I don't really know how to pronounce that name, but anyway, we're going to unbox it now. It comes really nice in a nice package. Here it is on the welcome guide. A power brick. It's solar, so if you don't have electricity or the power is out, you can charge it and use it to charge like your phones and tablets. It also comes with flashlights, so if you want to see in the dark, you could use that. It also comes with a wireless charging part where you can wirelessly charge your phones if you want to. Now, this is a welcome guide. Men don't read this, so it comes with this. If you want to review the product, you can tell your friends or family, and can visit their website here on blavor.com. Tell them whether or not you're happy about it or not happy. Anyway, this is what's inside the box, right? This is the product. This is a solar powered power bank. It comes with a USB Type C to charge it. It charges it faster than the regular USB, so you can use this and charge it. If you don't want to use a solar, or if you have power, you can use this. You also get it with this, which is a compass. This is a nice accessory. You can attach it to the power bank, and if you're going camping, I don't know, Jamaicans don't go camping, but it comes with what do you call this again? Compass. So it tells you where, and it seems like it's working. I don't know where east is, but yeah, it seems like it's working. So you can attach it to this and you're on your way. Okay, let's look at the product. It comes really snug, nice to protect it. So yeah, here we go. Moment of truth. Ta-da! And you have the logo here, Blavor. I don't really know how to pronounce it. No, you have the flashlights here. This is the solar area where you have to put it like this for it to charge in the sun. You have the area here where you would attach this. Then you have here, which shows you the amount of power or charging that it has. And then you have here where you would go to charge it. So you have the USB Type C area, you have the regular USB 2.0, and then you have regular USB. Now, here's where you plug in the things that you want to charge, like your phone. You would plug it here and then plug it into your phone. Or if you have a phone that has wireless charging, you could just put it here, and then you would put your phone on top, and then it will charge. I think this indicates whether it's turned on or not. So then you have the button here that turns it on to the side. Now let's turn it on and see. So I think the guide says you just press it once and it turns on. So you can see the lights there. That means that it's fully charged. Here will indicate whether or not the wireless charging part is fully charged, and it seems like it is. So it's working. Now if you have a wireless charging phone, you could put it here and it would blink when it's charging. Now, in order to turn on the lights, I think you double tap it. No, I think you hold it on. Yeah, you hold it down. Right. So that's the light. So yeah, if you're lost or in the dark, you could use it. Now, this is really a good product because you don't really need electricity to charge it. You could just put it in the sun or anywhere that has sunlight and it would charge. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the Blavor power bank. Okay, like, thumbs up.